The Way of Things is back again with another mind-blowing episode. We're excited to bring you jaw-dropping footage of amazing machines working at unbelievable levels. So grab your snacks and get ready to be amazed as we showcase a hand-picked collection of the most captivating content from around the world. Let's dive in. At first, we got a machine that prints designs onto bowls using a latex mold. A tablet press machine compresses blue powder into flower-shaped tablets. The tablets are dispensed into a tray. A rotating drill attachment breaks up tiles inside a chimney for removal. A CNC lathe shapes a metal cylinder into a chess piece. The lathe uses various cutting tools to create the intricate details. An excavator with a rotating sifting attachment separates rocks from soil. A fiber laser marking machine uses a focused laser beam to precisely etch markings onto a keyboard. A mechanical cherry picker shakes cherries from trees. The cherries are collected on a conveyor belt and deposited into a bin. A chemical solution is poured onto a metal can to remove paint. Coconut dehusking is made simple with a peeling machine. A specialized cutting tool cuts and trims metal from a metal plate. A lawnmower is suspended from a rolling frame. The worker pushes the frame along rows of crops to trim them. A worker uses a powerful magnet to gather nails. The nails are then fed into a machine that straightens them. The straightened nails are collected and boxed for shipping. A large irrigation system waters rows of crops. The water jet travels in an arc, evenly distributing water. A vibrating plate compactor levels soil for construction. Algae and pollutant removal from ponds is done by a rotating excavator attachment. A hydraulic press compresses tires for easier storage and transport. The press folds the tire in half before flattening it. A remote-controlled mower efficiently cuts tall grass in an orchard, navigating between trees. A tractor attachment digs 2 parallel furrows in a field for planting. A metal rod is precisely cut and bent by a machine to form a small, tightly wound spring. A wood chipper quickly processes tree limbs and branches, ejecting wood chips from its chute. This crop planting machine digs furrows and plants seedlings at the same time. A tractor attachment plows a field, turning over the soil in preparation for planting. A large drill bores a hole underground for pipe installation. Multiple pipes are fed through the hole. A tractor-pulled machine with multiple arms tills soil between rows of lettuce. The arms precisely target weeds and unwanted growth for removal. A small tracked machine sifts and cleans sand on a beach. The machine collects debris in a basket. This road printing machine lays paving bricks like carpet. This trencher, integrated with a motor cultivator, effortlessly digs through the ground. A girl uses a fertilizer applicator in a cornfield. Rice harvesting is automated with a machine that cuts, collects, and ties the crop. A brick-making machine forms and extrudes rows of uniform mud bricks from clay. Ballpoint pen tips are sealed with a liquid sealant to prevent drying. Red pen caps are then placed on the pens as they move along a factory conveyor belt. A worker uses a specialized tool to efficiently pack a potted plant and secure it with mesh for sale. Tree removal is simplified with a chainsaw digger that rotates around the base. Steel wire rope being manufactured in a factory from stranding and closing to cutting. Red silicone rubber is placed in a mold. A hydraulic press shapes and compresses the rubber. The finished product, a green collapsible bottle, is removed. A machine applies adhesive to a spinning disc, followed by square bits of sandpaper. The worker is using a special clamp to bend the edge of the metal roof, the flange that will help secure the roof to the structure. The machine bends wire into links and then joins the links together to form a chain. A factory machine uses blow molding to create yellow plastic jugs. A large stack of lumber is moved on a conveyor belt. Excess wood falls beneath. Construction crew is using a robotic excavator to spray concrete onto a hillside to stabilize it. Heavy cement bags are moved with ease using an overhead grabbing tool. A tractor attachment efficiently harvests corn kernels from the stalks, leaving a pile of corn cobs. A factory machine trims excess metal from wire mesh sheets. A food factory machine rapidly produces filled dough balls. The dough is dispensed and shaped into uniform portions. A worker wraps a green protective strip around a motorcycle tire. A braiding machine weaves together colorful threads. The threads are fed through guides and interlaced to form a decorative cord. A machine applies labels to plastic buckets. Knitted gloves are dipped in a sealant. A metal die presses a design into a clay pot. The pot is rotated as the die is lowered. A pipe bending machine precisely shapes a metal tube. The tube is bent to a specific angle. A CNC lathe rapidly spins and carves a metal rod, creating a spiral design.